Investing is like riding a roller coaster, full of ups, downs, and those twists that leave you holding on for dear life. But what if I told you there's a way to add some stability to your portfolio without sacrificing growth? It's not magic, it's real estate. And no, you don't need millions to get started. That's where REITs, or real estate investment trusts, come in. Stick with me, and I'll share 6 REITs that are built for the long haul, designed to grow your money and provide passive income. And here's the kicker. I'll show you how a $10,000 investment in one REIT could turn into over $1.5 million, paying you more than $114,000 per month in dividends. Sounds too good to be true? By the end of this video, you'll see how it's absolutely possible. But first, what exactly is a REIT, and why is it such a game changer for investors like you? Let's break it down. A REIT, or real estate investment trust, is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-generating properties. Think shopping malls, apartment complexes, hospitals, and even data centers. The best part? By law, REITs have to pay out at least 90% of their income to shareholders in the form of dividends. That means you get a steady income stream without lifting a finger. Unlike buying property directly, REITs let you invest in large-scale real estate projects without becoming a landlord. No tenants to chase, no clogged toilets to fix. Just buy and sell REITs like you would stocks. And the cherry on top? You get instant diversification because your money is spread across multiple properties, not just one. Now that you know the basics, let's dive into the top 6 REITs for long-term growth and income. These aren't just any REITs. They've been hand-picked to deliver stability, growth, and those sweet dividends. Let's kick it off with number 6. If reliability is what you're after, look no further than Agree Realty Corporation, ticker symbol ADC. ADC focuses on properties leased to high-credit retail tenants like Walmart, Best Buy, and Dollar General. Why is this important? Because these tenants are far less likely to default during tough economic times, making ADC one of the safest bets in the REIT market. Dividend yield: 4.12% dividend growth rate, 5.86% share price appreciation, 99.46% now. Let's talk numbers. If you invest $10,000 in ADC today, after 30 years of reinvesting dividends, your portfolio could grow to nearly $300,000, paying you around $3,846 annually in dividends. It's a recipe for reliable long-term success. Coming in at number 5 is Essential Properties Realty Trust, or EPRT. They focus on single-tenant net leased properties, meaning the tenants cover most of the property's expenses. Less risk, more reward. Dividend yield: 3.67% dividend growth rate, 5.7% share price appreciation, 15.8%. Here's the kicker. After 30 years, a $10,000 investment in EPRT could grow to $952,500, paying you nearly $76,000 annually in dividends. The combination of steady income and strong growth makes EPRT a winner for patient investors. Next, we have Rexford Industrial Realty, ticker symbol REXR. This REIT specializes in industrial properties in supply-constrained markets like Southern California. With the rise of e-commerce, demand for industrial space is exploding. Dividend yield: 3.21% dividend growth rate, 13.49% share price appreciation, 13.56%. Invest $10,000 in REXR today, and in 30 years, your investment could balloon to $1.38 million, providing you with $27,988 in annual dividends. That's serious income, folks. Number 3 is a titan in the digital infrastructure space, American Tower Corporation, ticker symbol AMT. They own and operate wireless communication towers, critical for the 5G revolution. Dividend yield: 2.85% dividend growth rate, 15.22% share price appreciation, 8.66%. Fast forward 30 years, and a $10,000 investment in AMT could grow to $1.74 million, paying you $152,600 annually. The future of wireless communication is here, and AMT is leading the charge. At number 2 is extra space storage, ticker symbol EXR. As people accumulate more belongings, the demand for self-storage keeps rising. Dividend yield. 3.64% dividend growth rate. 14.52% share price appreciation. 12.97% with EXR. A $10,000 investment could reach $1.28 million in 30 years, paying you over $61,000 annually in dividends. Talk about peace of mind. And topping our list is CubeSmart, ticker symbol Cube. Like extra space storage, Cube capitalizes on the growing need for storage solutions. Its impressive dividend growth and share appreciation make it the ultimate REIT for long-term investors. Dividend yield. 3.96% dividend growth rate. 14.98% share price appreciation. 10.64% invest $10,000 in CubeSmart, and after 30 years, your portfolio could reach a jaw-dropping $1.64 million, paying you $175,300 annually in dividends. REITs offer an incredible way to grow your wealth and generate passive income. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your portfolio, these 6 REITs can give you stability, growth, and income for decades to come. And don't forget, if you want to see how to build a portfolio that pays $200 every single week, click the video on your screen now. Let's turn your money into a passive income machine. If you found video informative, like, share and subscribe.